We're here with Christoph with Shark Helmets. Now they're a distinct helmet manufacturer that has some great advantages over your regular manufacturer. Christoph, this is an interesting helmet. Please, now this is a modular helmet, correct?
It is a modular, but it's a real modular. It's actually the only one helmet on the market to carry a dual homologation, full face and open face. So as it looks here, it's a full face, and within one single movement, you transform it into one open face.
Oh, wow.
Where you can ride with. And as opposed to any other flip-up helmet where when the chin bar is up, first you cannot ride with the chin bar up because it's not approved.
Okay.
And second, you cannot use the shield because the shield is blocked by the chin bar.
Okay.
So with this one, you can then have a real open face and use the shield as protective shield. If you want the sun shield only, you have the sun shield.
Oh, okay. Oh wow, it's got a hidden sun shield in it.
Correct.
That's really cool.
And as most of the time now, a lot of people are wearing glasses.
Right.
You know that our clients are getting older.
Okay.
You have this Shark Easy Fit system where you have this foam that fits into that pocket for the people that wear or don't wear glasses.
Oh, okay. So it's
here.
easier for someone to put their glasses on when they put the helmet on.
Exactly.
Oh, awesome.
And this model is compatible with our Shark Tooth system.
Okay.
The Shark Tooth system fits in. You have here a place for the battery that locates rear at the back here.
Okay.
See where I put my finger?
Yes.
Okay. So you can fit the battery here and then basically place the wires, speakers, and just put the Shark Tooth unit. It's very slim, it's only 5 millimeters, so you don't have this big, thick apple on the side.
Okay.
The Shark Tooth unit will be 5 millimeters thick only.
Okay, very cool. Now, when it goes back to, on most modular helmets, the chin piece does not really provide any protection for the rider. Right. Is that the same case with the Shark helmet?
That's the full face.
Okay.
As you can see, the helmet is approved ECE 2205 and DOT.
Okay.
Means that on the ECE 2205 we have chin bar test, chin bar impact test.
Okay.
So it's fully approved as a full face.
So it's approved as a full face and obviously as a half helmet, or an open face helmet.
If you look at the chin strap here, you see on the chin strap you have the P, stands for protective, means full protection, means full face.
That's
and the
awesome.
The J is jet, open face.
That's fantastic.
And that's the first helmet in the world to carry the dual letters, P and J.
That's awesome.
If you check on any other helmet, they will wear P or J.
Okay, so this is the first helmet in the world to have dual protection as an open face and a full face helmet.
That's it.
And you have the ease of both. And the styling is great because as the chin comes back, it doesn't look out of place. It makes it a sporty looking helmet.
It's a spoiler.
That's great. That's a beautiful helmet. See that, guys? You've got open face and full face protection on an open face helmet. It's a beautiful piece. Thank you, Christoph.
Thank you, Josh. Okay, this model is new. It's called the Speed R.
Okay.
It comes in the street range.
Okay.
It's a full face helmet that comes in 2 shell sizes, fiberglass and carbon fiber, composite. A lot of work has been made on the aerodynamics on this model. A lot of very specific features on the aerodynamics. Like you see this angle here, where we basically cut the big turbulence that usually is generated with the chin bar. Between the space between the chin bar and the chin.
Correct.
We break this turbulence with this angle here. And we create then a laminar airflow that comes here to the end of the helmet where we evacuate this laminar airflow with this rear spoiler. Okay, so instead of having the spoiler on the top,
the real big one.
We put the spoiler on the back here, and that really makes the exhaust for the. Then we continue to work on the aerodynamic with the air intake, the front air intake, exhaust system, very visible. This is also a pattern that we have with a double air blade. You can see the air going underneath the spoiler and above the spoiler, and that sucks the air out of this piece here.
Very cool.
Then, very important feature, protection on the face. We are the only one to have a 4.25 thick shield that goes down to 3 millimeters on the side. And the difference of thickness is to correct the distortion that you would have if you would have the same thickness all the way through.
I see.
So this is the only visor, the only shield available on the market, optically correct, class 1. Class 1 means 0 distortion.
Wow, beautiful.
also comes with a sun shield, so that's very useful for street helmet. So you have all the appearance of a racing helmet, but you can use it on the street with a sun shield.
Awesome. Okay. Beautiful. And it still has that same the Shark Easy Fit for someone that wears glasses as well.
Exactly. Same feature.
Now the Shark Tooth. Explain that a little bit more.
All right. The Shark Tooth is an intercom system.
Okay.
But because we made it compatible with our models, instead of having the big unit here, we separate the battery from the actual control panel.
I see. Which
makes it very flat. It's a Bluetooth system, intercom system that connects to MP3 players, telephone, GPS, and friends.
Oh, excellent.
Bike to rider, rider to passenger, or bike to bike.
Awesome.
Same system. The battery locates from the back. And then you wire everything, and then you double tape your units on the side of the helmet here.
Now, being that the battery is in the back, does that have an effect on the fit or
it's located really low here. And the battery is also
very thin.
1 inch long and 5 mil thick. So
awesome.
No influence. We have a specific pocket within between the EPS and the shell to look at the battery.
Awesome. Awesome. So this is the Shark Speed R, is that it?
Yeah.
The Shark Speed R, awesome.
Just one the visor system.
Oh, awesome.
Dead easy, like this.
That's one of the hardest things about full face helmet is taking the shield off. I have several different helmets, but one of them in particular is terrible to take off. That's nice and easy. Wow.
Yeah. Push. Okay, this one is called the Vision R.
Okay.
As you can see here, Vision R. We call it Vision R because it's got the widest visor aperture on the market.
Okay.
This is plus 25% compared to any other model and plus 10% sideways. So
excellent.
The idea is to make, with a full face, the impression as if you were riding with an open face. So when you put the helmet on, you have wide vision everywhere. Okay. Very visible when you open the shield here. And obviously, we continue having the sun shield as well.
Oh, excellent. Okay. Now, is the sun shield available in all of your models, your street helmets?
Yes.
Okay, excellent.
Now, another feature, if you want to ride with a bit of air circulating in the helmet, you have this ventilation system here.
Oh, okay, so it cracks it up. Very cool.
The shield, then you release this. Another pattern that we have is the auto seal system. So when you pull the visor down, it locks automatically backwards.
Oh, so it pulls the shield backwards.
Correct.
Oh, yeah. Wow. So if you get caught in the rain or something, it seals it off.
It seals properly.
Oh, beautiful. That's beautiful.
That comes also with a chin cover. Same system here.
Oh, wow. It's an adjustable chin cover. That's awesome. Wow.
Also compatible with the Shark Tooth system, so you put again the battery on the back and then wire everything up and then put your control panel here.
Okay. Excellent. And the ventilation, we've got a couple here on top.
And one on the back.
Okay, awesome. Very beautiful. Now what is this piece here?
That's
just
a rear spoiler, small exhaust.
Oh, okay, small exhaust port. Okay, excellent. Fantastic. The Shark Vision R. Awesome.
And that retails for $349 to $389.
Oh, okay. Excellent.
Comes in 2 shell sizes, fiberglass.
Fiberglass only. Okay, awesome. Okay, and then we've got one last one you're going to show us?
One last one, yeah.
All right. All right, Christophe. Now this looks like it could be the top of the line helmet that you guys sell. Am I correct?
It is the top of the line, and it's also I think the best helmet on the market really, because it has no competitor.
Okay.
All the features that I'm going to show you, they have no equivalent on the market.
Okay.
First, we talk about safety. You see this helmet has 5-star safety in the SHARP rating program.
Okay.
It's a rating program, independent laboratory based in Europe, in the UK.
Okay.
And
so just so for our American viewers, this is an independent agency that rates helmets. They're based in the UK?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's been initiated by the UK government to make helmet manufacturers, make helmets that would absorb more energy to save lives.
Okay.
And they rate it with stars from 1 to 5 to guide their consumers towards more safety rather than better price.
I see.
This helmet would rate in 50 meters, so we are twice better than the requirements.
Okay, excellent.
The shock absorption level is twice better than the requirement.
Okay.
We have again the same shield as we showed up on the Speed R with 4.15 down to 3 millimeters, optically correct class 1.
Okay.
That's unique. The visor system again, very easy to open up here. Anodized aluminum, nice piece. Lock here.
Okay.
Safety here.
And it comes with the pins for tear-offs?
Comes with the pins for tear-offs.
Okay.
Inside you see we made a lot of work on the neck pad to have a very narrow entrance, to have a very close contact to the neck to avoid the turbulence to get in the helmet and make noise.
Okay.
The chin cover is retractable as well.
Okay.
It's all very elastic, so it's comfortable, but it's very silent.
Yes.
Compared to the previous version we had, we have divided the noise level by 4.
Oh wow.
Okay, this model is 4.5 decibels A, less than the previous
Than your previous model, wow.
Okay. You can see the work on the aerodynamics again with this model. Aerodynamics not only for the stability of the helmet and the weight and everything, especially the drag weight. When you work on the turbulence system, what you want to avoid is to have this turbulence that sticks to the rear of the helmet that makes a drag weight. Okay. Push your head backwards.
Right.
So when we're talking tens of grams, 10 grams, 50 grams, 100 grams lighter, and this is carbon and Kevlar, it's 1.4 to 1.5 kilos.
Okay.
We're talking kilos in terms of drag weight.
Okay.
A normal helmet without any aerodynamic study would generate 10 to 12 kilos drag weight.
Okay, so a kilo is 2.2 pounds. So 10 kilos would be 22 pounds worth of drag.
Yeah, and we are below 8 kilos with this model.
Below 8 kilos.
So
wow.
we
below 16 pounds.
We gain 20% drag weight with all the aerodynamic study that we've done to drive the air in and create laminar airflow and evacuate this airflow from the shell.
Awesome.
Especially with a double blade spoiler on the back.
So that's not just for good looks, that actually functions.
It's functional.
Awesome.
It's compatible again for the people that wear glasses with the pockets for the Easy Fit system.
Okay.
So you remove the padding. It's compatible with the Shark 2 system, so you can see very well the location for the battery.
Okay, that's a little hole for the battery there. Okay, awesome.
It comes with a magnetic strap end.
Oh, look at that.
Very smart.
That's great. So no more tabs tearing off.
Okay, so you have double D-ring, but then magnetic strap end. So
yeah, I have a helmet. I paid $800 for the helmet, and the tab, this tab right here, ripped off in like a month and a half. That's crazy.
We're using a new material for the interior made of bamboo fabric.
Bamboo fabric? Oh wow.
Very absorbent.
Okay.
Hypoallergenic and ecological. And very important, you can see inside how we achieve the 5 stars, and that's the feature available in all the models.
Okay.
You can check all the ribs that you see that we use for ventilation channels.
Right.
They're actually crumple zones.
Really?
So in case of an accident, these ribs would crash and crumple to absorb the energy of the impact rather than transfer the energy to your body and to your head.
So it acts like a crumple zone in a car.
Exactly.
That's beautiful.
Exactly.
All
it's the same concept.
All about rider safety.
Yeah. So if we're wrong in using crumple zone system, all the car manufacturers are wrong as well.
Yeah, I don't
think they are.
Now, does this come in just carbon and Kevlar, or is it a carbon Kevlar
throughout the
mix?
range?
Fantastic.
Safety is not an option.
That's fantastic. Well, we appreciate your time very much. Thank you so much for explaining all these wonderful helmets to us. Check it out, guys. Shark helmets. They've got some incredibly innovative stuff that nobody else has in the marketplace. You might not have heard of them before, but hey, this is them. And if you want to have a good lid, remember, how much is your head worth? Spend some good money and get yourself a good helmet. Thanks so much.
Thanks for watching the Rider's Edge TV.